If you want to get free wallpapers on a Xiaomi 17, you can simply open the settings on your phone and then scroll down a little bit in order to proceed to personalization. Now in here, if you scroll down, then you should be able to find a couple of options that you can go through. For example, we have this new category or editor's picks, where we can find many great wallpapers that of course you can try out if you want to. If you select any of them, then you should be able to immediately apply the wallpaper to lock screen, home screen, or both. Also, we have the online wallpapers option or the find more option, which is exactly the same thing. In both cases, you will be redirected to the theme app with the wallpapers category selected. And of course, over here we can go through many of these categories and examples. We can also use these suggestions here that we have at the top. So let's say I'm gonna go to HD photography in order to see what we got over here. And let's say if you like any of these wallpapers, then you should be able to simply tap on that wallpaper and then you can apply it to the lock screen, home screen, or both. In case you go back and if you try to find something or choose something from here, let's say if I'm gonna choose this one over here, then we will find a set of different wallpapers, as you can see here in this case. And if you find a wallpaper that you actually like, you can actually just tap on it in order to then apply once again to the lock screen, home screen, or both. And there we go, this is how it looks like. Of course, we can still make some adjustments, like we can zoom in and zoom out. We can use 2 fingers in order to adjust the position of the wallpaper as well. And there we go. So once you are done, you can just simply tap on apply in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.